Good morning, children. Welcome to English virtual class. Today you take out your English practice book. We will do the chapter 4 comparisons. In comparisons lesson 4, today I will give you the introduction, how you will do it and how you have to change it and how you will find out which comparison is this. But before that, I will tell you what is adjective. Children, adjective is the word which tells or describes about noun. You all know about the noun. You are doing it from class 2 only. Noun is a name of person, place or things. So the person about the person or the things with the word which describes, that is the adjective. For example, she is a good girl. Here girl is a noun and good is a adjective because good tells us about the girl. I can say she is a girl. Girl is a noun, simple. But adjective is she is a good girl. Now comparison of adjective. There are three types of degrees. One is positive degree, adjective in the simple form. Simply when you say she is a good girl, good is a simple adjective. Then is comparative degree. In comparative degree, when two things are compared, when we compare between the two things. Third is superlative degree, when more than two things are compared. Comparative and superlative. Let us take an example. Tall. Tall is a simple adjective. Ram is a tall boy. It's a positive degree. To the positive tall, when we add er, then it becomes a comparative. Like tall plus er is taller. Now it has become the comparative and we use comparative degree to compare the two things or the two persons. See the example. Here are two pictures. One is Ram and the other is Sham. Sham is taller than Ram. Now you see that to the third degree, to the positive tall, when you add est to make superlative degree. Tall plus est, tallest. Now you see there are three boys, Ram, Sham and Sohan. Who is the tallest? Sohan. So we will not say Ram is tallest than this and this. So we'll say Sohan is the tallest boy. Now here are some rules to change it, how you will find out. Rule number 1 is when the positive ends in E, only then R and ST are added. When the positive degree in the last, if E is there, then we add simple R in comparative and EST in superlative. Same is with brave, braver, bravest. Here large E is given there, so we will simply add R in comparative and ST in superlative degree. Rule number 2 is when the positive ends in Y preceded by a consonant, then Y is changed into I before adding ER or EST. Consonant children, you had done the vowel letters in previous classes. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowel letters like B, C, D. All these are the consonant. So if consonant is there before Y, we change that Y into I and then we add ER. See the example. Happy. Y is there and P is consonant, then we will change Y into I and then we add ER for comparative. Happy, happier and happiest. And second is easy. Again Y is there and S is the consonant. Then we will change the comparative Y into I. Then we'll add ER. Easy, easier and then easiest. We will use ST for this. Next rule is but if the word ends in vowel plus y. Earlier we had done the consonant. now is vowel. If the word ends in vowel plus y, we add er and est. Example, grey, E-G-R-E-Y. So E is a vowel. So now we will add ER. We will not change Y into I. When consonant is there, then we change the Y into I. If consonant is not there, vowel is there, then we don't change the Y into I. So grey, grayer, greyest. We simply add the word ER or EST. Then rule 4 is word which is of one syllable where one vowel is there and ends in a single consonant preceded by a vowel. This consonant is doubled before adding er and est. You just see thin. Thin has one vowel, so one syllable. So that will be doubled. Last consonant will be double. Thin is thin and comparative is thinener, and in the superlative thinnest. In thin, then we'll double the n last consonant, thin, thinner, thinnest, and sad, sadder, saddest. In sad also we double the d, and in the then we added er, and for the superlative we added est there. Next rule is adjectives of more than two syllables form the comparative and superlative by putting more and most before the positive. When the long words are there or two syllables or more than two syllables are there, then we add more or most. More is for comparative and most is for superlative. Like beautiful. In beautiful, there is beautiful. Two syllables are there, so we will use more beautiful and then most beautiful. Same is there with the careful, careful, more careful and most careful. Irregular comparison. Children, irregular comparison, we call them naughty comparisons also. In your class, some naughty students are there and teacher has to handle them. Same is here, you see the naughty comparisons. Naughty comparison, they don't follow the rule. They don't follow okay, we have to add er or est in the end and then it will change. Here you have to learn all these because they are very naughty. Good, better, best. For good we cannot say good, gooder, goodest. No. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. And for much, more, most. Many, more, most. So they have the different comparative degrees and different superlative. These you have to learn. They don't come under the rule. They don't follow the rule. Like some naughty students, they don't follow. Same is here also. Children, you have to learn these naughty comparison. That's all for today. Your homework is revise all the rules related to comparison, because in the next video we will start doing this chapter, but you should know the rule, then it will be very easier for you to do the chapter. Thank you for